How to make dark nipples pink. Those who have not yet subscribed to my channel before knowing the details, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon next to it. You can watch the next video as soon as it is uploaded. Though this is not usually on our priority list, unlike face care or hair care, having healthier looking nipples can help you to have better breast freshness and better sex life. Do these home remedies have any side effects? Which is the best time to use these remedies? When can I expect the results? Are there any chances of the area getting darker once getting lighter? Every part of our body needs care, and thus it is nice that you have acknowledged on having lighter shade of nipples color. The best ways on how to lighten dark nipples at home is easy. What are the causes of dark nipples? Oftentimes, women undergo a plethora of hormonal changes, especially during menstruation, pregnancy, and even post-breastfeeding. According to statistics, 51% women in the USA prefer to keep their nipples dark since they find it sexier and visually appealing as compared to the bright red or cherry pink in color. Even a majority of men are fond of dark nipples, and hence women are increasingly undergoing surgeries and go under the knife to turn their pink nipples or areolas dark brown. However, let's understand what causes your nipples to turn dark. Hair growth. Generally, women do not have any hair growth in their intimate parts including areolas, and when they get some hair growth, it appears like those fine eyelashes cropping on meadows of gold. It magically makes the nipples look dark even though it isn't. Pregnancy. This is the most blissful time for every woman in her life. The dreamy journey feels like a blessing. However, pregnancy comes with its own share of challenges since a woman undergoes several hormonal imbalances including larger breasts, darkening of nipples, dark under eye region, and some of the body parts also turn dark. The dark nipples are not a part of the serious concern, however, the areolas might turn pinkish or to its original color post-pregnancy or still remain dark. It totally depends on the hormonal changes in one's body. Menstruation. A majority of women undergo several changes during the menstruation or periods. Body dehydration, dark eye patches, and sagging of breasts along with nipples turning dark are just some of the symptoms that a woman goes through every month. Once the periods are over and the cycle takes a break, the nipples are back to their normal state. Breastfeeding. Several women face darkening of nipples due to feeding their babies. You can always mix baby milk powder to get pink nipples even while breastfeeding. However, this is a problem that every mother faces. The dark nipples are a sign of a healthy mother, so relax and let it fade away with time, and if not, they still look lovely. Aging. When women undergo aging and start to grow older, their frail bones and skin show up in the form of sagging breasts, dark areas under eye, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines, and darkness in some parts of body including nipples. The strong medications, chronic illness are some of the additional factors that influence your nipples to turn dark. Natural tips to turn your dark nipples pink. You can select any of the tips on how to get pink nipples. Almonds and milk. How to make dark nipples pink. When it comes to lightening the shade of your nipple, almonds are one of the best ingredients. Milk, as we know, is an amazing skin lightening ingredient and has moisturizing properties. When both the ingredients, almonds and milk, are mixed together to form a paste and applied on the nipple, they help in lightening your nipple. For this remedy, simple: take few almonds and put them in your mixer grinder, next add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and grind them together to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste prepared on your nipples and leave at least for an hour. After an hour, wipe off the mixture. Repeat regularly for better and fast results. Orange juice. Orange juice contains vitamin C, which is very helpful in reducing the darkness of skin and skin pigmentation. As orange juice is having high vitamin C content just like lemon juice, it does similar kind of work as well. For this remedy you will only need the juice of an orange. All you have to do is apply the orange juice directly on your nipples and let the juice stay there for around 30 minutes and then wash off using water. For better and fast results, you can also apply some moisturizer after washing off the juice. Repeat the remedy every day. Milk, lemon and honey for lightening nipples. How to make nipples pink. This is a traditional remedy and has been used by women since ages for lightening their nipples. Since it been used since ages, we can clearly understand its effectiveness. Also, the ingredients used in this remedy are very easily available and are cheap as well. For this remedy, you will need 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon and honey. In a clean bowl, mix all the ingredients well and apply the mixture prepared on your nipples and let it sit on the area for around an hour. Next, wash off with water. Repeat this remedy every day. Lime juice and honey. When it comes to naturally lightening skin color, honey and lemon juice is used in most remedies. This remedy is very effective and shows quick result compared to others. For this remedy, you will need half a spoon of lemon juice and a spoonful of honey. Mix both the ingredients well and apply the mask prepared on your nipples and leave it for around 30 minutes. Rinse off using water. You need to repeat this remedy twice daily. Milk powder, lemon juice, honey and almond oil mask. All of these incredible ingredients are known for their high-quality resourceful skin lightening properties, so unleash your pink and lighter nipples in a few weeks' time by preparing a rich concoction of milk powder, lemon juice, honey and almond oil, or you can crush almonds to form a smooth fine powder. Add just a dime-sized honey and make a thick consistent paste. Now, apply it on your nipples. This will help in removing the free radicals, dead skin cells and penetrate deep within to absorb the original cells. Repeat this at least twice for effective results. Yogurt, lime juice and honey. How to make your nipples pink. This power-packed solution is perfect fodder for your breasts if you always wanted to flaunt those cherry pink nipples. Take some fresh yogurt, which helps in enhancing the elasticity and infuses the antioxidant properties, along with lemon juice drops and a small proportion of honey. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which is a great source of lightening and brightening source. So, apply this paste on your nipples and unfold the magic in a week or so. Oatmeal, curd and tomato juice. How to have pink nipples. Enjoy the authentic beauty of these kitchen staples, which are not only tantalizing to your taste buds but also quite amazing drivers to flaunt gorgeous pink nipples. Oatmeals are great exfoliators which help to scrub away the dead skin cells and replenish them with the new skin cells. Curd helps in fighting against the free radicals and moisturizes the skin naturally. Tomato juice has powerful properties which are often used in several fairness creams. Its antioxidant and bleaching agent helps in turning dark skin into visibly lighter shade. Repeat this every week for better results. Apply Vaseline on nipples. Sounds weird, right? Well, this effortless trick always works wonders for women with sensitive skin. Try to apply Vaseline or alternative options like lip balm, shea butter moisturizer regularly. Massage it onto your nipples directly and don't forget to rinse it off the next morning, or else there are chances for bacteria to breed, acne and pimples might pop up on your nipples. So, keep them moisturized and cleansed. Licorice extract. How to lighten nipples. This well-known trick is another amazing way to get rid of dark nipples naturally. Just take some licorice extract and mix it with some water in case you're using the powdery form and let it sit on your nipples till it dries off completely. Now, rinse it off after 7 to 8 hours. Licorice extract is extremely beneficial for dark nipples and darkness in intimate areas. Cucumber, avocado, orange, honey and milk. The goodness of all these ingredients will help you achieve the lighter, brighter and visibly amazing results. Just blend all the ingredients together until you get a thick paste. Apply the paste onto your dark nipples directly and rinse it off using lukewarm water. For better results, use it daily for maximum benefit. Before getting into the remedies, you might like to know some common facts on shades of nipples. Nipples can be of different colors. They can be pink, reddish, brown, black, etc. Our nipples evolve from birth to childhood days to puberty to pregnancy to aging. You can choose any of the tips on how to get pink nipples. Initially, our nipples are pink in color. The color and look starts differing with physical changes. Here, we have some tips to change nipples' color. There are numerous causes which make the color of our nipples change. Some common reasons would include genetic conditions, menstruation, pregnancy, aging, breastfeeding, medications, skin chafing, etc. The two determining factors surrounding skin tone of nipples include eumelanin or brown pigment and pheomelanin, the red pigment. The distribution of these pigments offers the color that our areola possesses. Color of nipples can vary with skin tone, which is again hereditary. Caucasians have pink nipples, Southeast Asians have brown nipples, Africans have black nipples, etc. Men are usually more fond of women who have darker shades of nipples. Before you actually start off with any of these remedies, make sure you have your partner's consent. 12% of white-skinned beauties from USA like to have darker colors for their nipples as they naturally possess pinker shades. They believe darker shades are sexier. Home remedies for pink nipples. After reading all the information above, if you still stick to your decision, we have some helpful remedies that would let you make your nipples color brighter and pinker. Lemon extract. The most widely used element for this purpose is lemon juice. Extract lemon juice and add honey and yogurt. Apply on nipples and let it dry for 30 minutes. Rinse with water and repeat the remedy once a week. Lime. Extract lime juice and add honey. Apply the combination of your buds and let it dry for 30 minutes. Wipe it off after that and repeat it once a week. The acidic content of lime helps your skin exfoliate and makes your nipples look fresher. Moistener. Along with lemon or lime extract, you could also apply a lightening moistener, which is simple on how to get pink nipples. Applying Vaseline, lip balm or shea butter every night on your nipples will help you keep them fresh and breathing. While taking a shower the next morning, don't forget to rinse the area well. This is especially done to prevent acne. Almonds. How to have pinkish nipples. Almonds too help you brighten nipples color on how to lighten dark nipples. Blend almond with milk in your grinder and apply on the zone. You could also buy almond oil readily bought from the supermarket and then apply daily. Your appliance should retain for 1 hour, after which you can wipe and clean. Repeat till you see significant results. Along with better nipple color, we must also keep in mind that our breast needs improved health. The type of food you eat, the exercise you do, the way you keep your body, has an impact on breasts along with the nipples. If you are suffering from sore nipples, then you should try any of the tips to get rid of sore nipples naturally at home. Having healthier breasts will help you maintain healthier nipples. Let us read some tips for this. Proper food consumption. There are studies and researches which have proved that there are foods to prevent breast cancer. These are fruits and veggies which contain antioxidants and are advised to consume for better breast care. You must include flax seeds, walnuts, omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil, cranberries, eggs, avocados, etc. for promoting better breast care. Exercise. Exercising for 4 hours in a week lowers estrogen levels and helps you prevent breast cancer. Stop smoking. Smoking comes with numerous health disorders, and that includes breast cancer and pregnancy hindrances. Stop drinking. Alcohol consumption not as harmful as smoking if it can be cut down. Little alcohol is okay, but excessively consumption can not only harm the organs of your body, but also make your muscles stiff. Researchers also prove that excessive alcohol consumption can lead to breast cancer. Sleeping posture. Adjusts your sleeping position for better nipple care. Sleeping on your stomach can suppress your breasts and stomach, and that isn't healthy for the body. Change in sleeping posture helps to reduce sore nipples. Lastly, you need to remember that overall breast health promotes better and brighter nipples. You can start off with the remedies you like and so on. See the developments in your zone. Tips on how to get pink nipples. Mulberry extracts. You can use mulberry extracts or lactic acid as they provide good sources of vitamin C. They are an easy way to lighten nipples. These fade the dark skin which forms around the areola and then generate newer skin which looks pinkish. Arbutin. This is another home remedy on how to lighten dark nipples as they remove the dark skin and prohibits the pigmentation to form further. It removes the tyrosinase and improves melanin. You can use oranges, cucumber, honey, milk and avocados if you don't have the ingredients mentioned above. These two serve usefully for brightening the area. Get alternatives with vitamin C content so that it prevents pigmentation. Vitamin C is a good source of antioxidant which not only brightens up one area on your body but makes you glow and feel healthier. Create a juice with orange and then apply it on the area. Let it soak well and repeat on alternative days for speedy results. If your skin itches or gets irritated, opt for another ingredient. You could also opt for licorice extract as that too serves for this purpose. You can use licorice extract for nipples and vaginal cleansing too. This can be applied hot or cold, according to what your body can sustain. If you don't get the natural form, you can buy a powdered version and then add it to water. Apply it on the zones and see it work faster than the other remedies. Finally, it is important to remember that our body goes through numerous changes and we have to get adapted to how we grow. Sometimes, we succeed in making ourselves look better, but we must remember that we are unique and forever beautiful. Be sure to comment on how you like the video. If you like it, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, you can do so frankly.